The Wurth UV Cure Sealant Kit will service one pair of polycarbonate headlights. This technology has been lab tested under SAE protocols to prove longevity and comes with a written limited lifetime warranty. The sealant is cured either by natural direct sunlight or by the new Scan Grip portable UV curing light. If you own the 110-volt Headlight LED UV curing wand, you can still use it by following these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Place painter's masking tape and portable auto mask around the perimeters of the headlight to protect paint and chrome from the sanding process and sealant overspray. You may also use rec wrap to cover the lens and area surrounding the headlight. Then, using a blade or X-Acto knife, you may carefully and gently cut out the area around the lens. Step 2. Start by taking the provided 600 grit adhesive back sanding square and adhere to the flat side of the sanding block. Wet down the headlight and begin sanding to remove the damaged laminate or any remaining clear coat that may still be present. Be sure to rinse all the residue from the lens after the sanding step. Step 3. Take one of the provided lint-free towels and thoroughly dry the lens surface and all surrounding areas of the light. Please note, at this stage, the headlight will appear clouded and dull prior to the application of the sealant. Step 4. Begin application of the sealant on the outer edge of the lens, moving from side to side, ensuring an even coating. After applying, check area for smoothness. Step 5. The new Scan Grip portable UV curing light will cure the sealant in 2 to 4 minutes per headlight. Exposure of the lens to direct sunlight will continue to cure until maximum hardness is achieved. A quick and easy application. This state-of-the-art chemical formula will quickly remove corrosion and haze, improve visibility and light output, and restore headlights to their original shine and luster in a matter of minutes.